Have you ever felt tired of learning English?
Have you ever said, English is too difficult for me?
Or maybe you studied for months, but you still don't feel confident speaking.
If that sounds like you, today's lesson is very important.
Because today, we are talking about motivation to learn English.
And if you are watching this video, that means one thing.
You care about your future.
Lucas, let me ask you something. Why do many people lose motivation when learning English?
Good question. I think there are three main reasons.
What are they?
First, they compare themselves to others.
Yes, comparison can be dangerous.
Second, they expect fast results.
But language learning takes time.
Exactly. And third, they are afraid of making mistakes.
That's very common.
Let's say this clearly. Mistakes are normal.
Not only normal, they are necessary.
If you don't make mistakes, you are not learning.
When babies learn to speak, they make many mistakes.
But nobody laughs at them.
So why are we so hard on ourselves?
Good question.
Lucas, I think motivation becomes strong when you know your reason.
Yes. Why are you learning English?
Maybe for a better job.
Maybe to travel.
Maybe to study abroad.
Or maybe to understand movies and books.
Your reason is your power.
When you feel tired, remember your reason.
Many learners think they must study 5 hours a day.
That's not necessary.
Even 20 minutes every day is powerful.
Consistency is more important than intensity.
Small steps every day create big results.
Let's talk about speaking fear.
Yes, many learners are afraid to speak.
They think, my English is not perfect.
But communication is more important than perfection.
You don't need perfect grammar to speak.
You need courage.
Let's be honest. Sometimes learning English feels difficult.
Yes, there are days when you feel stuck.
But progress is not always visible.
Even when you don't see improvement, your brain is learning.
Growth happens slowly.
Close your eyes for a moment.
Imagine speaking English confidently.
Imagine having a job interview in English.
Imagine traveling and speaking freely.
That future version of you is possible.
But only if you don't stop.
Let's give practical advice.
Good idea.
Tip 1. Study a little every day.
Tip 2. Watch English content you enjoy.
Tip 3. Speak out loud.
Tip 4. Celebrate small progress.
Tip 5. Don't compare yourself.
Repeat after us.
I can improve my English.
Every day, I get better.
Mistakes help me grow.
I will not give up.
If you are watching this video, you are already stronger than you think.
Learning English is not easy.
But you are not alone.
We are learning together.
Step by step.
Word by word.
Conversation by conversation.
Why are you learning English?
Write your answer in the comments.
Your reason matters.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
If this video helped you, please like and share it.
And subscribe for more English conversations.
Remember,
Don't stop.
keep going.
And let's talk in English together.